Hello guys, I'm Gilberto and I'm responsible for the gControl, and today I'm gonna show you how to upgrade the RAM in your unit. By default, the gControl comes with 8 GB and you can check here. If you go to search and system information, scroll down, we'll have install physical memory RAM. As you can see here, this one has 8 GB. You only need a small Phillips screwdriver and a flat and clean surface. You need to shut down your gControl. After that, unplug the power cable, press and hold the silver button for 10 to 15 seconds to discharge any residual power. Now, flip the panel to have access to the back of your machine. Use the screwdriver to remove these 4 screws here, and be careful because there are more screws on the back, but you don't need to remove them. To access the motherboard, it's only these 4 screws here. After that, you can remove the cover. Locate the existing RAM, and as you can see here, it might have a small amount of glue which you can remove. To remove the RAM, push these 2 metal clips here at the same time. When you remove the memory, make sure that you don't touch the gold connection. With the new memory stick in hand, align with the slot. The nut in the RAM should match with the key in the slot, and the RAM should be inserted in an angle. To finish, make sure that you put the cover in the same position as you did before. You also can use this square on top as a reference. After putting the cover back, flip the machine and power on. Switch on and press the silver button to start the system. Usually it takes around 5 seconds as you can see, but since you install a new memory, it can take up to 15 seconds or more, due to some checks that the motherboard needs to do before starting. Now, with the gControl on, you can follow the same step. Go to System Information and check the new memory size. Right here you can see the installed physical RAM memory, it's 16 gigs. That's it for today, see you in the next video.